And approaching at 11:20.
Discover 11:13, local 2, 30th Street. Next to arrive on track 6.
No need for an introduction here.
Discover 11:13, local 2, 30th Street. Next to arrive on track 6.
This train is terminating at 30th Street. I believe it's coming from West Trenton. Got some GE cars. They'll be going to the Race Street yard, and he's going to need to make this quick because he's late. And we got a Fox Chase train that's right behind him. He's going to need to make this very quick, or Fox Chase is going to end up being delayed. Yeah, Fox Chase is going to be a little late now. Okay, here he goes. Yeah, the board has marked up with Fox Chase 2 minutes late. Septa's now departing. They'll be going into the Race Street yard. We've got 3 GE cars. We've got cars 368. Nice SM2 action. And 406 in the back. Fox Chase train will be next. He's going into the Race Street yard. Once he clears the turnout, Fox Chase train should be lined up. They'll probably be coming in from the airport. More to come for him.